welcome to day 3 of our Palma vlogs. I don't think there'll be anything from day 2, so it'll be straight in with day 3 from our travel day because I was completely wiped out. I am still a little bit choked with a cold. I'm just about to have a lemon muffin that I bought yesterday. So we are going to go into Palma. We're doing a foodie walking tour and it's sponsored through Get Your Guide. I am so excited. So come along and join us on our Palma day. So we ended up having to get a taxi. The buses were honestly so busy. They all were coming up to the stop saying full. We got a taxi, it was €21 to Palma from Palma Nova. We are mega early now, so we're just having a little walk around and we need to be at the meeting point for 11:30 for our tour. Since we got a taxi into the city, we've ended up really early, so we have stopped at a little place called ENCO near the meeting point where we have to be for the tour, and we've just ordered some coffees so that we can have a little coffee before our walking tour. The sun is starting to come out now. It's so lovely. There's little horses here, but I would never do something like that. I just feel too sorry for the animals, but we're just about to go and try and join our tour now. Dessert and oh my goodness, this is incredible. So we've now finished our foodie walking tour, very kindly sponsored by Get Your Guide. Our tour guide Moana was amazing. I'm going to do a full video on its own for that, so make sure you check that out. We are now just walking back towards the cathedral. We're going to have a look around the city. It is currently 3 o'clock, so we have so much time left in the city. I don't know what the hell this big panda's all about. What on earth? It's huge. So Stuart had mapped this, and it turns out it's inside a shopping centre, so I don't know how big the collection's going to be, but we'll have a look anyway. I really love this little scrunch and clip set. It's €13. So cute. There's not as much selection as a normal Sephora, but there is still a lot in here. They've obviously got all their own brand makeup, which I love as well. I've got some goods. I didn't actually spend that much. I just got myself a little like get ready set, so it's got 2 little clips for your hair and some scrunchies, and I got the same from my best friend, so I'll show you that when we stop somewhere, but it's so cute. Whoa, there's so many fake bags. Literally back to feeling absolutely rotten again. I feel like I'm going in peaks and troughs. Like I didn't feel too bad earlier and now I feel completely bunged up. I am going to go up and join Stuart and Calvin. They are upstairs playing pool or table tennis, one of the two. I don't know which one. They told us it was going to be Bongo's Bingo tonight, like a bingo thing, and I think on the board Stuart said it says movie night, so I'm not sure. But I've perked up a little bit, although I was feeling rotten about an hour ago. I've just been chilling in the room. So I'm going to go up and see what's happening upstairs and see exactly what's going on tonight. Welcome to day 4 of our Palma videos. We're heading to the beach today. We've had a bit of a lie-in. We've just been to the little supermarket and got some stuff, and we've got a bat and ball as well for the beach. This is the one that we've went for. Skulls. Funky. It was only $5.95. We bargain. We spent most of our day at the beach, but the day before we actually seen this Indian tandoori restaurant, so we decided to go along and give it a try. It was honestly so good. We started off with this pickle tray and poppadoms. They were lovely. I got my favourite peshwari naan. It was amazing, honestly. And I had the korma, so did Calvin, and Stuart had the chicken bhuna. This was honestly so good, and I'd highly recommend it if you are visiting Palma Nova. So we grabbed some ice cream from the shop next door to our hotel, and we headed back in, and there was actually a DJ playing on the terrace. He was so good, but it was bingo night and I was convinced that we were going to win, so I thought we'll go down and have a few games of bingo, and we did not win. It was still a really good night though, and then after the bingo we decided to go back up to the terrace as the DJ was still on and sit there for a few drinks and then go back down to our room ready for the next day. Thank you so much for watching these vlogs, and stay tuned for the next ones coming soon.